A tradesman marks his goods at 20% above their cost price and gives a discount of 10% for cash payments. What profit percentage does he make? Now, let's assume the cost price to be 100. A tradesman marks his goods at 20% above their cost price. So therefore, marked price becomes 20% above the cost price. Now, because the cost price is 100, the calculation becomes very simple. 100 plus 20, that is 120, and gives a discount of 10% for cash payments. Now, selling price is equal to marked price into multiplier. This formula you can apply when you have percentage discount. Now you have 10% discount. So therefore selling price will be marked price, that is 120 into 1 minus 10 by 100. Solving this, you get the answer as 108. Now cost price is 100, selling price is 108. So you can see very easily the there is profit of 8 rupees. Therefore profit percentage will be 8 upon 100 into 100, that is 8%.